Welcome viewers, this is a continuation of my previous video where I have narrated how to download Oracle software. Now we'll go ahead and install. So all you have to do is go and find out the setup.exe here. Okay, so I'll just double click on setup.exe and the installation will automatically start. So here it is. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I pressed on yes. And the installation is in progress. Okay, then it asks for a password to be used for system and admin. So I'll give a password as manager, manager, and we have to confirm the password here. So I have given a database password and confirm password as manager, manager, and press next and then click on install. So the installation will take place for few minutes.